Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network application. The problem of network on the application of WhatsApp. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about WhatsApp. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support